Hey guys, how you doing? This is Captain Mike, going for this master level this time. For the winter major, we're ready for hole 3. We're going to go at it with a sniper and a kingmaker, and I'm going to attempt a rough bump here actually. And what I want you to do, because this is really downhill, I mean maybe 35% or more, I don't know, it's really downhill, which requires an over adjustment. So what I want you to do, if you're not savvy on counting rings, which I'm not, I play by feel, I use the force. But I want you to do is watch where my rings are, my ring positions. Now we're going to set up to the rough on the left. We're going to use all our right and about 1.5 bottom. That may not be enough bottom. It might be 2 bottom, but this is Monday, right? So we're tweaking. I'm going to use all my right and 1 bottom. And not all of my right curl, but a substantial amount of my right curl. If we can ever draw an opponent, we'll be able to see what I'm doing. But getting this adjustment right, that's going to be the key here. And I want you to watch, on this one, I want you to watch my outer white ring on my bullseye from where I adjust to kind of see where it is, because you don't want to overshoot that rough. You're going to end up in that sand trap likely back there, or the rough, and then you're chipping out of the rough if you do that, if you overshoot over that rough. So you don't want to do that. So pay close attention to my ring. Now what we're doing is we're going right over here, our landing zone somewhere right around there. We're going to use all of our right and about 1.5, maybe 2. We're going to use 2 bottom there. See that? Now I'm going to pull back, watch my right wing. I'll pull back to about right there. See where my white ring is? Just outside that rough? That's where we want to be. And we're going to use a substantial amount of right curl. See how much right curl I'm using? And we did get a perfect ball, so let's see how that wind carries that. See, we just hit it. Okay, a little bit too much right curl. So that's, like I said, that's something we can play with, and maybe even not enough bottom. So I would say maybe 2.5 bottom, because I think I got my adjustment right. And go again, look at the video, see where my white ring was after I set up. Don't use quite as much right curl as I did. I overdid it on the right curl. Do use all of your right spin, and it looks like maybe 2.5. We're going to try 2.5 bottom next time. It might be 3 bottom, I don't know. But I think this rough bump is going to be the best chance for a birdie in this Masters level. That might be the way to go. So anyway, that's how we'll play this hole. See you on the next hole, guys.